You need intelligence. Come with me.
Congratulations! We are officially becoming the first generation in human history that is forgetting how to think. Sounds dramatic, right? But look around. Everywhere you see people outsourcing their minds to machines as if intelligence is something optional, something we can hand over the way we hand over our laundry. We call it progress, but is it really progress when your mind becomes dependent, like a battery that no longer charges unless the cable is plugged in? I was sitting in a cafe the other day, watching a student ask AI to write an assignment, summarize a book, generate ideas for a startup, draft a love message, and even decide what he should eat for lunch. And I thought, this kid is using AI for everything except breathing. That's when it hit me. AI is not enslaving humanity. It doesn't have to. We are willingly giving up the one thing evolution spent millions of years building, our mind. Think about it. Why write when AI writes better? Why think when AI suggests ideas? Why read when AI summarizes everything instantly? Why learn when AI already knows? And maybe you're smiling right now because, yes, it sounds relatable. But beneath that smile is a very real danger. Not the sci-fi robot apocalypse, no laser eyes, no killer machines. The real danger is much more silent, much more comfortable, and much more deadly. It's convenience. Convenience is the most seductive prison ever invented. Let me give you a real-life example. My friend uses GPS for everything, literally everything. One day, his phone died while returning home from a location just 10 minutes away, and he froze. He genuinely couldn't recognize the roads. He looked around like a lost tourist in his own city. That day, he didn't lose his way, he lost the ability to navigate without digital assistance. And that's exactly what's happening to all of us. We are not losing intelligence, we are simply not using it. And evolution has one very simple rule: use it or lose it. If we stop using our intuition, we lose it. If we stop using creativity, it fades. If we stop solving problems, that muscle atrophies. If we no longer think deeply, explore, question, analyze, we become mentally hollow. Our species evolved because we struggled, made mistakes, learned through friction, discovered the unknown, and expanded our curiosity. But now, AI removes friction. It removes the difficulty, the confusion, the struggle. But here's the twist. That struggle is exactly where intelligence grows. Remove it, and intelligence collapses. And here's the scary part. If most people become mentally dependent, who will control the world? Not machines, not robots. With extreme power in a few hands, combined with extreme ignorance in billions of people, this is the most dangerous combination in history. We've seen it before in dictatorships, in empires, and propaganda machines, and none of those stories ended peacefully. But this time, the tool is stronger, smarter, faster, and invisible. Because AI hides behind convenience. It gives us entertainment, summaries, answers, comfort, so we don't question it. We don't notice the cost. We don't realize that our own minds are falling asleep. Sometimes I feel like human consciousness was a mistake of evolution, a wild mutation that gave us the ability to break evolution's rules. We are the only species that creates intelligence outside the body, algorithms, machines, digital thoughts that think faster, calculate deeper, and have no biological limits. Evolution never planned for competition from non-biological intelligence. We're like ants who suddenly discovered fire and are now playing with it without understanding how quickly it can burn everything down. And yes, maybe the image of humans becoming intellectually hollow creatures is disturbing, but the real tragedy is not physical destruction, it's mental extinction. A future where humans are comfortable, entertained, fed, assisted, but empty. A future where we stop evolving. A future where we no longer deserve the title intelligent species. But here's the part nobody talks about. The future is not doomed. It's not written. It's not decided by AI. It's decided by you, by the people who choose to stay awake while everyone else falls asleep. The truth is, AI is not the problem. Our relationship with it is the problem. AI should be a tool, not a substitute, a partner, not a replacement, a helper, not a crutch. If you use AI to enhance your mind, you grow. If you use it to replace your mind, you shrink. It's that simple. Now the question is, what should we do? Here's the answer. Start using your mind again. Don't let AI think for you, let it think with you. Write something without asking AI first. Read a chapter without checking the summary. Solve a problem without looking for the instant shortcut. Practice observing, imagining, questioning. Use AI for support, not substitution. Remember, intelligence is not stored in machines, it's stored in the ability to think. And that ability only grows when you use it. If this message resonated with you, drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call, and tell me, are you awake or are you falling asleep with the rest of the world? In the next video, we're going even deeper into how you can rebuild your mind in the age of machines, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.